Hello and welcome to Atelier Sandrine Moji. I recently subscribed to the Blackwing box. So it's a Blackwing subscription. Every 3 months you receive a box and you don't know what's in there in advance. So this is the first box I receive in which I don't know what I'm going to find. The first box I received, I knew because that's the one I subscribed with, so I knew what was going to be in there. But this one, I do not know. So this is the box of March 2020. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that thing. When I was little and I was growing up in France, when there was no program on the TV, which was basically most of the time, it was only evening TV and Wednesday afternoon because there was no school. There was this thing on the TV all the time. Oh, that's amazing. I love it. So are the pencils, what are they going to be like? I can't believe they used that thing. Oh, wow. So, oh, that's amazing. I'm so happy. So there's 12 pencils in that box and they all have the colors from that TV screen. So let me have a look. I recently discovered that next to the name Blackwing here, engraved is the firmness of the pencil. And I used Blackwing pencils for months before I found that out because you can barely see it. So this is an extra firm, which is really good for me because when I do my drawing, my botanical drawing especially, I use extra firm pencils and I've got plenty of soft ones from Blackwings already. So this is amazing. And then there is, in the subscription, you also, on top of the box of 12, you receive an archive one for displaying in a test tube with a little cork, a glass tube with a little cork. Top here. So there's a couple of coasters as well. That's going to be great on my desk to put my water pot on when I'm painting. And so there's a TV guide. A tribute to broadcast TV, volume 343. So there's always a little booklet. Here we go. This is the volume 343 from Blackwing. And I am very chuffed about it. Honestly, if I wasn't a subscriber, I would totally have ordered that box. Because I remember sitting, when I was little, sitting in front of the TV and actually making drawings of this because it was the only thing on the TV for days on end. This brings back a lot of memories. I must say as well, as the first box I'm receiving as a subscriber to the Blackwing volumes, it's amazing to get that in a post. To open a box like this and have no idea what's in it. But I know it's going to be stuff for my art, so I know it's going to make me really excited. And I just don't know what they're going to come up with next. That was really good. I'm really glad I subscribed. So I will see you for the next one in 3 months' time. Happy drawing. Bye.